Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. I saw something on a shelf and picked it up. It was cheap, so I brought it home. Hitachi. It's a funny looking thing. Wasn't really sure what it was until I read the label.
This is a Hitachi W6V4 drywall screwdriver. And 120 volts, 60 hertz, 6.6 amps, 750 watts. Made by Hitachi Koki in Tokyo, Japan. Warning: to reduce the risk of injury, user must read instruction manual. Well, that's something I got to do because I've never seen one of these things like this one. Now, I would think there's some kind of clutch in this head, but I plugged it in and I can't figure out how to make it work. So I'm going to go online and pick up the manual somewhere. I'm sure I can find one. And read up on it, because it runs good. It's a variable speed, got forward and reverse. It's been 50 years since I used a drywall screwdriver. When I worked at Home Builders Incorporated, they had one model that they put plasterboard in on the walls, and we went in on the ceiling, on the roof jig, and put plasterboard screws in, but we had a gun that had a tape that held the screws, so all you had to do was just push it into the plasterboard and pull the trigger and it drove the screw. So this one's a little different. I'm going to have to do some thinking on this one and read up on it. But for $7.25, I figured this was a good one to play with. I couldn't figure out how to make this thing work. It wouldn't drive a screw. And when I pushed on the button, pushed on the trigger, nothing moved. Turns out you have to have it set a certain way. Just this driver is getting kind of chewed up. It's a cheap driver. It's a cheap driver. And I've worn the tip right off of it. But that's what I was doing wrong. This doesn't turn until you push on it. Motor started, but the shaft's not turning. And you don't want to do that. You want to have it up against something and then press the trigger. Otherwise the gears just rub and they don't cage. So this works just fine. There's nothing wrong with it. I was using it wrong. I was trying to do something that the thing just didn't want to do, and it was telling me every way it could, but I wasn't paying attention. I said, well, I've got to read up on it, so I did. Turns out the problem I was having was I was using it the wrong way. Once I figured that out, it'll drive screws all day long as you got a good tip. This tip is cheap. It was a cheap set. Not worth the trouble to pick it up. But I think if you had a good driver, you could drive screws all day long with that thing. I know the drill motor would do it a lot faster. The other thing I could do is I could engage it and start it slowly. And run it down. But I'm going to have to get a better tip for it because the one I had just doesn't work.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.